Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to get an unrestricted Facebook ad account. If you are facing issues with advertising on Facebook, such as restrictions on your account, you can report the problem directly to Facebook's support team. By submitting a detailed report, you increase the chances of getting your advertising capabilities restored quickly. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to report your issue. First, launch the Facebook app on your phone. Once logged in, go to the Profile tab on the top menu bar. Now, scroll down the list to reach the Help and Support option. To report a problem, shake your phone to get help from the team. Next, tap the Report a Problem option. It will start creating a report and ask you to include complete logs. You can skip by tapping Do Not Include. Then, select the product by scrolling down the list that will appear. Choose the Checkouts or Payments option. After that, describe your issue you want to resolve. Write a brief description of your issue that you are having issues with not being able to advertise on Facebook. Also, tell them that your account is restricted from advertising. Now, ask them to resolve your problem as soon as possible. Facebook will review your report and may contact you with a solution. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.